In this short video, we will learn how glasses are used to correct two main vision problems which all of us face, like most of the people face. One is called short-sightedness or myopia. The other one is called long-sightedness or hypermetropia. So in short-sightedness, people can see the objects or things or written material which is very clear near to them, but far away objects look blurred for them. And in long-sightedness, far away objects look clear to them, but if the object starts getting closer, they can't read it. So usually it comes in old age. Usually long-sightedness comes with old age, because the lens is not able to become fat enough to converge the light rays. It becomes a bit stiff. So now let us understand the problem and how it is being solved using corrective lenses. So the problem is as follows. So the light rays, if they are coming like a parallel beam, the cornea and the lens together of this myopic person does too much of converging of light, so that before the image can be formed on the retina, it forms the image before itself. So on the retina, actually a diffused light is falling, so the image is not focused, it's diffused. For normal people, the eye lens will adjust the focal length of the lens such that the sharp image is formed on the retina, but for people with short sight, that adjustment cannot be done. It's too much to do manual correction by the body. So you have to do the correction artificially by adding extra glasses. So we do it by using diverging lenses. Diverging lenses are concave lenses which are thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. And the shape is like this so that it's more aesthetic. And it's actually thinner in the middle and thicker in the edges. So it behaves like a concave lens. So it diverges the parallel beam. And compared to the original case, the beam has now already diverged before entering the eye. So now with the extra converging of the lens as before, it still forms the image on the retina. So that's how they figure out the power of your eyesight. What should be the power of the lens? Power gives a measure of how much converging ability the lens has. So so they do the eye test and then figure out which lens is suitable for you, so that it will form a sharp image on the retina after you wear it. Similarly, for long-sightedness, the focusing is less, the converging ability of the lens is less, lens and cornea together is less. So the image is found behind the retina. So on the retina, a diffuse light is found. So it's a blurred image. So you use a convex lens, which is a converging lens, to correct it. So instead of the spread apart light rays which are entering the eye, you converge it before itself using a convex lens and then feed that into the eye. So now the eye will, even though the eye does the less converging as before, it is sufficient to form the image on the retina, and you get a sharp image on the retina, and your vision problem is solved. So you see, unless somebody understood how lenses work, those who have short-sightedness and long-sightedness would not be able to read anything. Imagine how miserable their lives would be.